So hi, I'm Novika and I am a corporate trainer and a life skills counselor. I love this workshop, great trainer. Okay. And what am I taking away from this workshop? I think the whole structure of CBT is really beautiful. I mean, I was not aware of it, so that was really wonderful. And what I think I liked the most was the reframing part of it when we work on our core beliefs and the cognitive distortions. And I'm really looking forward to level 2 and 3.
Hi, I'm Daisy and I'm a facilitator. I indulge in coaching, training, therapy, and what I'm taking away is a lot of structured approach to a lot of things that I do otherwise in my coaching and training, but not as structured as this is here now. I think I have better frameworks to work through, and in terms of the workshop, I think just the fact that I'm taking a lot of structure with me, I think that's feedback enough. So it's like beautifully structured, beautifully paced, beautifully conducted. So congratulations, it's a wonderful workshop.
Hi, my name is Navsamvardhan. I'm a career counselor by profession. It's been a thoroughly enriching day, a very structured workshop. Learned a lot. Thank you so much.
I'm Karuna Agarwal. I'm from Indore. Just sudden Facebook पे मैंने का देखा और मैंने उसके लिए अप्लाई किया। एंड कल अभी मैंने काफ़ी प्रैक्टिकल व्यू से CBT को एक्सप्लेन किया। आज तक मैंने इस तरह का प्रैक्टिकल अचीवमेंट फर्स्ट टाइम लिया है। वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। थैंक यू सो मच पहले।
So I'm Ashita. I'm doing Masters in Clinical Psychology from Amity University. Till now we have learned CBT in our theory classes, and today we got a very good opportunity to learn CBT in a very practical way, and we gelled up with Pallavi ma'am like really well. So we really enjoyed this session and looking forward for level 2.
I'm studying MA Education ECCE in Ambedkar University. The entire workshop was well structured and well organized, and I learned a lot about CBT. But a major takeaway for me is the way the entire workshop was conducted and presented, because that teaches us a lot, and that taught me a lot how to be balanced, how to interact with the audience, how to engage the audience, and it was a very well structured workshop.
Hi, my name is Mamta. I'm a foreign language teacher. I'm taking a break right now from work, and I've studied psychology in the past, so I'm at that phase where I'm trying to see what I can do with that degree. I'm trying to get into counseling, guidance, therapy, so that's why this workshop has been really helpful. It's both practical and also on a personal level it's helped me.
I'm Apurva. I'm a student of MA Clinical, and what I am taking away from this workshop is I've learned what exactly happens during the sessions of CBT and how it's to be structured and everything. So I'm really keen on the next levels of it. So I look forward to that.
Hi, myself Navsamvardhan. Presently I'm working as a lecturer in the psychiatric field. This session helped me both in personal or professional way. As a psychiatric person, working in a psychiatric person, I have a lot of doubts regarding the practical approach to the cognitive behavior therapy, and almost it covered in a very good way. And thanks a lot.
Sharma. I'm doing my Masters in Clinical Psychology. So some of my takeaways would be that I learned how to apply the theoretical knowledge that has been taught in college as well as I was taught here. So that was a great thing. And the second most important thing was a lot of introspection happened today. So that was a great learning. And of course, a good in-depth knowledge of what CBT actually is.
Hi, I'm Somna. I'm a student of Masters final year Clinical Psychology, and this workshop was very informative. It gave me an idea of the CBT orientation.
My name is Ashtam Nilkan. I'm an education consultant and a trainer, and I feel that some of the aspects of the workshops were really good, and I feel that coaching techniques can actually be used with the children as well as teachers, and along with that the cognitive distortions, these can be being aware of about them, and actually overcoming them. These things can be actually be helpful for me, and I request that we can have a special workshop for the people who are like from background of education, because this is something that is very much needed for them.
I'm a student of MA Clinical Psychology. This day has been very enriching and interesting, and this workshop is very well structured and very informative. And I actually learned a lot about CBT and what actually happens in the process. I'm looking forward to level 2.
Hi, I am
Sakshi. I'm a student of BA Applied Psychology, Delhi University. It was a well-structured, detailed workshop and it was very informative, and I gained a lot from the workshop, and I look forward to further workshops.
I'm Soumya K, second year BA Applied Psychology student. Firstly, I really like this workshop on CBT because this is a part of my course and this has been explained wonderfully. I understood more than what was taught in the class. So that was my first takeaway. Second would be how to go about it as a therapy for practical use as well as a theory to enhance my own understanding. And third would be just to practice personal application in my real life.
Sir, I'm doing masters in clinical psychology, and this workshop has been really helpful for me. And the important takeaway is this booklet, which is very helpful. And I have always heard about CBT as a treatment. Now I'm aware what actual CBT is, which is very important for me. I'm that person who usually dozes off easily in lecture, and in this workshop I haven't yawned for a second and didn't even check my phone. I have checked only in breaks. In break, I checked it only in breaks. That's a really big thing.
I am myself Matthew John, working as a lecturer in a nursing college. This workshop was really nice. It's a well-structured workshop, and I could gain so many knowledge regarding CBT.
Hello, this is Purvi. I'm a psychologist by profession, and I have worked with CBT before. I have practiced it, but yes, there was a lot of gaps there, and the gaps were filled. Like समझ आ रही है चीज़ें, technicalities basically समझ आ रही हैं, and apart from that, like I joined this program, to help me personally rather than professionally. And yes, like I have a lot of things on my mind right now, so and I'm really thankful to you.
I am Kritika. I'm studying in Delhi University, and my course is applied psychology. And then I like this workshop very much, and really I want to know about the CBT because in our next paper we are going to write about this, and again really good knowledge. And the seminar was really nice, well structured, and I feel very good that I came to know more about myself and how to solve my problem.
Hi, I'm Priyanka and I'm a student of Masters in Clinical Psychology. Okay, so the workshop was really insightful. Since the time I've taken up this subject, psychology, all I've heard about is CBT and I always thought it was overhyped. But today was really informative and it was really helpful.